This is Dorian with Dorks Garage Door Services. We are going to program a Homelink in a 2017 Mercedes GLE 350. So this one's a little bit different from other standard like Honda and stuff like that. I want you to focus on this little LED light right here. So the button you want programmed, of course I'd lose my light. Okay, you're going to push that button until it turns orange. So I'm just pushing and holding it. I'm going to let go when it turns orange and it starts blinking. Then I'm going to take my transmitter that is already programmed. I'm going to push and hold it until it turns green. Then I'm going to let go. I'm going to wait for that light to turn off. Then I'm going to push that button again. And the door is going down. Easy peasy.